start. Now Quartararo is bolting here.
Lights out. Good start from Fabio Quartararo. He got that one absolutely nailed. He's flying up the hill. Rossi also with a decent start. And Vinales.
Short-lived race then for Miguel Oliveira. Already though you can see Quartararo and Vinales trying to stretch away from the power. Binder was involved as well. So it's Quartararo lead in 2014. It's early doors here in Jerez. Well, that's what we've got right now.
Maverick Vinales looking to try and find a way through already on Quartararo. There are the two Pramac Ducati riders. Miller move surely into the final turn. Here he comes.
He's
number 12 up inside.
No, he hasn't.
He's well wide. He loses out. He drops back to third.
He can't drop behind the Ducati.
Lap from Alex Marquez from the very back of the grid.
Yeah, saw Polisbargo well wide at turn 5. So Quartararo. Yeah, I'm afraid
tagged the back wheel of Oliveira.
Yeah, that was a nasty old impact, wasn't it? Oliveira landing right. Oh dear. It looks like Bagnaia got the better pace.
Quick check as we look here. Bagnaia coming through on Miller. He's just a bit out of shape though into the last corner and he's gone wide.
Yeah, the pace of the Frenchman, and at the moment Vinales can't find a way back through on Rossi. The buffer
from Quartararo on board with Vinales.
Quartararo, the two Yamahas behind him on that last lap. 6 stayed down Rossi. Now Quartararo is bolting here. Rossi hasn't got. Is he making
in front of them here in Jerez? The Pramac Ducati rider from Australia closes. Fabio Quartararo is checking out.
Yeah,
onto the home straight.
Rossi, 0.8 of a second that last lap. Quartararo was faster than Rossi.
Yeah, and you can see how impatient Vinales is now to try and get through on Valentino Rossi. He's losing chunks.
The front early doors, it could be a costly mistake for Maverick Vinales. Is he going to find a way up the inside of Rossi into turn 6? No, he's not close enough. We know that Rossi might not have the pace to go with Quartararo one thing away. Again, Quartararo's just taking more time out of these two behind him. Another couple of attempts he's found
and he's up again.
Knocked out him, that's why he stayed down at the start. Quartararo is blitzing them in sector 3. He's
find a way through.
Does he just have not enough trust in that front end yet while the full tank's still quite full? It's been an issue in the past for Maverick Vinales.
Having another pop at Rossi and it went slightly wrong because he's just lost a bit of ground, hasn't he? And the two Pramac Ducati boys are now
pretty much already forget about Fabio Quartararo because he's
place ahead of Cal Crutchlow in 16th place.
Yeah, that's an epic battle of the walking wounded. The fact that those two have even put their helmets and leathers on today.
We have two factory Yamahas ahead of two satellites. And he's gone wide.
Yeah, he's done
and he's up again. He tagged the back wheel of Oliveira.
Yeah, that was a nasty old impact, wasn't it? Oliveira landing right. Oh dear. It looks like Bagnaia's got the better pace.
Quick check as we look here. Bagnaia's coming through on Miller. He's just a bit out of shape though into the last corner and he's gone wide.
Yeah, he's done.
And he's up again.
Knocked out him, that's why he stayed down at the start. Now Quartararo is bolting here. Rossi hasn't got the pace of the Frenchman, and at the moment Vinales can't find a way back through on Rossi. The buffer
from Quartararo on board with Vinales.
Quartararo mullered the two Yamahas behind him on that last lap. 6 tenths quicker than Rossi, half a second quicker than Vinales. Already is he making
in front of them here in Jerez? The Pramac Ducati rider from Australia closes.
Nu kahiji mana? Nu kahiji. Nu kahiji. Ya kahiji tadi, kedua. 3. 4. 5. Genap. 7. 8. 8.
10.
Bara bay?
10.
Bay.
Sabaraw.
Jadi banyak sabaraha wae, kabaraha.
10. dulu. Sepeda bocil gitu.